Welcome to a deep dive into the world of AI. Today, we're going to explore the three types of AI, a fascinating journey into the heart of artificial intelligence. Our first stop is No AI, often called weak AI. It's AI that's laser-focused on specific tasks, like voice assistants, recommendation systems, and facial recognition. These AI systems excel within their predefined boundaries. Now, let's move on to General AI, also known as strong AI. This is the kind of AI we often see in science fiction, a machine with human-like intelligence capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from reasoning to creativity. General AI has the potential to understand, learn, and adapt to various situations. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of artificial superintelligence. This is the AI of the future, a level where machines surpass human intelligence. We'll discuss its theoretical capabilities, implications, and the ongoing debates surrounding its development. But wait, there's more to explore. Additionally, we'll discuss the ethical considerations that come with AI development. How do we ensure AI systems are safe, unbiased, and aligned with human values? Get ready to expand your AI knowledge. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of artificial intelligence.